Apple makes beautiful products, but sometimes you just want something different. You want to change things up a bit without giving up that Apple quality. Well, check out this stuff and tell me what you think. Let's ramble.
Hold up, things go wild when I pull up. They all on me like it wants some.
Hey, what's up guys? It's great to see you all again. And if you're new here, I'm Patrick and this is where I ramble about tech and other stuff. So the Apple Watch I'm wearing is actually my very first one. It's the Apple Watch SE. I got it this year because I use a MacBook Pro, a Mac Mini, an iPad Pro, and an iPhone. And if Apple has one thing really down, it is seamless integration in their ecosystem. I love how everything talks to each other and the fact that I barely have to do anything to make that happen. It's just little things that make the Apple Watch so much fun to have. Like, I'm gonna go on my first vacation in what feels like forever, and the second I downloaded my boarding pass to my phone, it also showed up on my Apple Watch. It's just a fun and useful little watch. But I'm not a huge fan of the way it looks. I mean, you can change the watch face, but that doesn't really make a huge difference either. I used to be a bit of a watch junkie. I really think a cool watch can make a difference to your outfit and to your appearance. Whether you're going out or you have a business meeting, a nice watch always makes things look good. I kept my favorite, which I still sometimes wear to certain occasions, and as you can see, I've had it for a long time. It's pretty banged up, but I still love it. And as it turns out, you can emulate this look, but I'll get to that later. So long story short, I'm always looking for ways to make my Apple Watch look more interesting, but also to make it fit the occasion. You obviously don't want to be wearing a leather watch band to the gym, but I also don't really like to wear a silicone strap to a nice dinner or a client meeting. So I ended up buying several different straps, and that's very much a hit or a miss experience. Apple's own watch bands are obviously great quality, but they're super expensive, and the offering is quite limited. I tried some cheapies from Amazon, like this knockoff braided one. I mean, come on. Yeah, not the best decision. You know what they say, buy it nice or buy it twice. Very much the case with this thing. But even if you spend a bit more, like this one, you just can't be sure about the quality. Look at this pin just sticking out there. It'll scratch my desk, damage my clothes, not usable. And that's exactly why I love that there are brands like Casetify that offer consistent quality. You know exactly what you're getting, you don't need to worry about the quality being crap. Pardon my French. They're not the cheapest, but they're nowhere near as expensive as Apple. Now, this is a sponsored video. Casetify sent me this stuff for free, but you guys know by now, if something sucks, I will tell you. And Casetify knows this as well. They have no say in the video and they don't get to see it any earlier than you guys. Alright, with that out of the way, let me show you what I mean. I think Casetify's idea is to create a look with their products rather than just selling individual random designs, like this custom design they sent me with my initials and a phone case for my iPhone mini which matches that. I'm kind of digging the vibe they're going with here. The watch band is from their Saffiano leather collection and you can tell it's well made. There's nothing sticking out and the finishes are on point. Now, this is actually biodegradable vegan leather. Of course, there's no such thing as vegan leather, but you get the point. It looks like leather, feels like leather, but no cows were killed in the process, which is always a good thing in my book. It has this comfortable inner lining and also has a water and scratch resistant coating, so this one you actually can wear to the gym. And when I do go to the gym, I obviously want to feel like a tough guy, so no flower prints for me, sir. Camo, obviously. As you can see, they have a ridiculous number of designs on their website. Casetify claims it is the largest selection of prints in the world, and by the looks of it, that just might be true. I love that you can customize these. I don't know, it just adds a little extra. By the way, these are available for all Apple Watches, so even if you're still rocking the Apple Watch 1, no problem. But like I said earlier, not every watch band is fit for every situation. And I'm not gonna sit across from my clients wearing my tough guy camo band. In such a situation, I'll be looking for something more elegant. And Casetify got you covered there as well with their stainless steel watch band collection. Now, these I really like. This is not some cheap product, this feels like the real deal. They're available in 5 colors, rose gold, silver, black, blue, and two-tone gold and silver. Personally, I'm not into the two-tone look, but to each their own. I like simple, but this time I wanted to try something different from the silver bands I used to wear, so I opted for this black one. I think it looks really good on my Apple Watch. These bands are water resistant, so that's one less thing to worry about. And they come with this really useful tool to adjust the metal links according to the size of your wrist. And that really is useful because normally you need to take them into a jeweler to have them adjusted. Now I can just do it myself. If you want to pick one up, today's your lucky day. You can get 15% off. Go to casetify.com/PatrickRambles and you're sorted. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it one of these. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you want. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.